If your bed doesn't feel like the best part of your day, you're probably sleeping under the wrong comforter. I have finally found my dream bedding and my favorite place to enjoy my coffee in the morning. Hi, I'm Chantel with WTI, and this Mulberry silk comforter from Cotton & Silk has literally changed the way I sleep at night. The first thing you notice is how light it feels. It's not bulky, not heavy, just smooth, breathable comfort that naturally adjusts to your body. What really stands out is the construction. These inner ties keep everything perfectly in place, so you're not constantly adjusting or dealing with shifting fill. And visually, it instantly elevates the entire room. Everything looks brighter, cleaner, more put together without changing anything else. And because it's silk-filled with a cotton shell, it breathes better than traditional comforters, so you stay comfortable whether you're a hot sleeper or not. And the beautiful white duvet cover from Cotton & Silk just adds to the perfection. It's one of those upgrades that doesn't just improve your sleep, it improves how your entire space feels. Once you switch to something like this, it's honestly hard to go back, but that's just my point of view.